Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to unbox my January Fab Bag. I got this package today, and so just thought of filming an unboxing. So let's just open this and see what I got this time. So this is the bag I got this time. Let me just take out. So this is the bag. I really like the color. It's a very nice kind of grayish not champagne, like it's grayish silverish color, a medium. It's in between of a gray silver. So this is the bag. I really like the quality as well. And yeah, so this is the bag. So without further ado, let's just open and see what's inside. Right, so first I have a few info cards. I have a renewal offer, like a renewal discount coupon code. Then this is the Beauty Blowout January Fab Bag. So all the product details are given here, the prices and the amount of product, the full-size version amount of product. And then there's an info card about the contest they have every month on Instagram. Now let's just dig into the products. So the very first thing I see, oh wow, I am super happy to see this. It's a liquid highlighter. It's a glow illuminator by Mana. The amount I'm getting is 20 ml of product. This is Mana Kadar glow illuminator, and this one is like full size version, and this one retails for 2,300 rupees, like 2,299 rupees, almost around 2,300. And I'm super happy to receive this. I'm definitely gonna be using this in my tutorials, and yeah, super happy. It is kind of like a rose gold color. I love using highlighter, and I'm super happy to receive a liquid highlighter. Alright, so this is how it looks. It has a nice creamy consistency. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the highest points of my cheek to just check it out, because I haven't applied any makeup today. I am just wearing lipstick and eyebrows, so I'm just gonna highlight a little bit with this, and yeah, it will be kind of like a first impression as well. So can you see the difference? Oh yeah, my cheeks are glowing. Yeah, love it. So yeah, super happy to receive this highlighter in my Fab Bag. Now let's move on to other products. The next thing I have is, this is Vedantika Ayurvedic Rose Sandal Face Wash. The amount of product I'm getting here is 50 ml of product, that is 1.69 O's, and this one retails for 150 Indian rupees. Alright, so okay, so the next thing I have is, this is Nirvana Crafted Naturally Pure Goat Milk Honey Soap. So this is a soap, and it's like a goat milk honey soap, so I don't know how it will be. Let me just see how it looks from inside. Okay, so this is like a peach colored soap. Oh my god, it smells so like orange candy. Yeah, it smells like orange candy, and this one retails for 200 Indian rupees, and this is also a full-size product. Okay, then I see two sachets, and this is a foaming face wash sachet, and it says it controls oil plus remove germs. So these are the sachet, and these are definitely a sample size, not a full-size version. Each sachet retails for 5 rupees. That means both of them retails for 10 rupees. So these are the sample size, and I am glad that they came in because I'm gonna travel in few days, and I will be needing some handy face washes. Alright, I think I'm just left with one more product, and this is the product nicely bubble wrapped. Okay, so this is a shampoo, and this is the bestseller bonus, and this is Peddler Naturalish Exotic Herbal Infusions Shampoo. So I think this is bonus, so they haven't mentioned the price of this, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 30 ml of product, and over it the price is written, but it's not written on the info card. Over it, it's written that it retails for 100 Indian rupees. It has a very mild fragrance, just like Johnson's baby shampoo. So it smells like that. So that was it for my January Fab Bag. I'm done with it, and I loved this time bag just because of the Manakadar Glow Illuminator. I loved that product, and I'm also very excited to try shampoo, soaps and the face wash. So yeah, all in all, I am satisfied with this times bag. And yeah, that's it for the January Fab Bag, and I hope you like this video. And if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe, help me grow. And till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye.